In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a team in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you want to open Figma and navigate to your home space. It's fairly simple. Just click on the Home button at the top left of your Figma dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all your projects and teams. Once you're on the home screen, look for your team projects. For example, if you're part of a team like Basavaraj's team, you'll see it listed here. Click on that team name, and it should take you to all the related projects under that team. This is a great way to keep everything organized and in one place. After you've clicked on your team, you'll want to find the specific project to which you'd like to invite your team members. There should be a visible option on the right side to share. Go ahead and click on this Share button. This will open a sharing window where you can manage invites easily. In the sharing window, you'll see an option to generate an invite link. You can choose to send this link directly to your team members or invite them by email. It's very flexible, depending on how you prefer to collaborate. If your invitees receive the link, they can either view the project or edit it, depending on the permissions you set. Now, when sending invites, you must make sure you choose the right access level for your team members. They can either be viewers or editors. To set this, you'll notice an option saying Can Edit. If you click on it, you can toggle between editing and viewing. This is crucial because if you're collaborating on designs, you probably want your team members to contribute directly to the project. Now, if you decide to invite via email, there'll be a field where you can enter their email addresses directly. After entering their emails, confirm the access level next to it. This ensures they have the exact permissions they need to work effectively on the project. So once you've set everything up, simply hit send, and your team members will receive the invites, enabling them to join the project instantly. It's that easy. Remember, the key to effective collaboration is ensuring everyone has adequate access to the projects they're involved in. In summary, adding people to your team in Figma is a straightforward process involving navigating to your home screen, finding your project, and then inviting individuals through the Share option. Make sure they have the right permissions, and you're all set. That wraps up today's tutorial on adding people to a team in Figma. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.